Kofi
history
Nanado was second as Kabi or the Yakuya 30 years. So I say we might come time and again. Nanado I'm a Boagana Bakukra. Now one deliberate policies were rushing into the implementation. Well, Anna, any pair of one Nanado Ama was succeeding. Umina Nanado are enemies. It's another Yanadu say, Mena Manyama buying. And I mean a mass settlement crop for Ubia Wakabiaro o mata. Ubia the suggestion craba now do you fancy Pacono, our Cassania enemy. It is some the import of the message in the crown, and now own tea. Banking sector clean up. A tell for Montelier. Nanado o cleaning banking sector.
Yeah.
Woma Kreti Bank be a friend construction bank. And Yafi and a bank in Guye. You can check. Nanado, Woma Kreti Bank be a friend construction bank. Monsieur Yafi in a bank in Guye. Now, Obia bet me did 9 billion. I bailout. Ama banks are insolvent. Now, met me a solvent. I boa many pioneer do my. That's a punishment you or Crediama woman. Nanado chose a different way. Egu banks no I know so spend 24 billion. And I don't want an next person. You are very, very, very wicked. Oh yes. Huh? Wicked? Yes. Nitimu poni na ne sai. One na busu afo ne namfo bi na enya. Eti MPP mu kra no. Onfa nipa bebre ho. Ha, wo mu na hyeso mu ye nyana na do si akire. Ana o kire ba bia ye nto oba ne nko. Say Asante region. National level, more than nipa mienu. We represent Asante region.
Now let's look at the discussion IMF.
Okay.
Manfo bebraka say anhwe ya call IMF possible social intervention program it is a free SHS and several others no. Anhwe kra omitumaka say we should limit them. Free textbooks, free mpaboa, free we say nurses allowance, the teacher trainees allowance, every chamber for economists. And in fact, or say a idea with the
na yenya popule abra Ghana the SCD 70%. With the IMF for every emerging economy biaro. Omono ewo certain threshold omo edi omo isi. Your country is still ID 65. By Ghana no end up the growth rate means no. Omo tinye to you edi equal 70. So 70 a akwese omo ball no. Not what to do till line. That is a good them you see Ghana a child above 80. Not to say you are the only alternative they say there was a idea of Wood institution. Now I would say this crucial time might be a job in terms of economy over to the economy now feel also acquisition in Kwasu now simply Emra Bubu Maimao now I have the area
okay as I want to say
yeah
Ghana for Muntiemi I was say on mine yetime dwene ema politicians and your politicians and I was say edwene ma Ghana as I my kind time and again say any kwan say of politicians and edwene ma Ghana I say you create think tanks you be formulate idea for national policy now sa national policy no and na political parties you be draw your manifesto every move it ever say 40-year development plan na ya kwa election yeni ya ba election no yensagu ya chi say 40 years development plan no and na political party bia wo koje na vie na wo be straight to me no de wi ya fi mu atimi aye waka yeni na party bia de ne de betudwa ne ahwe obia modema emfie na no within the 40-year development plan obetimi aye it's not man we consistent direction ya kro enya manofo ena be che oman bobre ene ba bia o se kro na we nyina betimi aye yi a age say your constitution ya review Kofi me ma prepare constitutional review me say e be boa Ghana na ma present na enim difo wa Ghana obia so ɛde ndi aba ne de akoma constituent assembly na anase review committee a ye be setting up no no mo nyina rewem na ya so ne so ne ya keka ne mesi animu wo bon say in the long run 70% of mimi proposals no o mefa am ye de ayadwuma ɛhɔ ana Ghana ebe start anya turning point ye de be ko yediem Kofi IMF yewura akufado se yakwa IMF enya oro ne be kire se yakwa IMF oro de ya mandate say on for the policies or one me transform Ghana it ya body pa on ne be say yema no akwanya na yema na adwumanye adwuma na de man say wapem say wopema awasa wo ugya to na Ghana for this side ba bia de Ghana bekro akuma etina na do new kano for ata o mu propose IMF no eya wrong to me na de man what chance say we free chess bar Ghana ho beto yen planning for food and job bar Ghana ho beto yen irrigation one village one dam Ghana ho beto yen one ambulance Ghana for ho beto yen oniama wo deliberate for cathedral bar Ghana for ho beto yen past questions I have to man kwala Ghana for ho beto yen enuane papa we concert man
I think you are going low.
Now we are obetuma yo man akọ FM say nim di asa e do call for policy credibility we me tell mo say neo colonialism say abrofo kwa de afedo mo ma ha o wa na wo so anwo akọ say me ma bra bo no ba bia me bokro no me hunu me ho ano etimu ma me hihye ya me di be hunu me ho ano na nado na wo be say wo petumi na ye so hwe ye no wo de ko so hwem awsa wo ni kanofo yata ene mo rubbish ni nyamu fra bem we sanya ni wo pa na maboni dua me catch na nado se me akwasi de se me na ma koso sa mess kamadwe me ma ho kamadwe Ghana fo ho kamadwe me busu afo ho na me de akonwa na to honorably hwa Kofi IMF na nado ka se mo se yakọ 16 times but never again I was your IMF beam na nalo the last kasa or kasa fa IMF no ebra on SS or exited from IMF no speech and now the two down that's a sandy power accept to you 10 so IMF for Ghana for most so Ghanaians are cowards Ghana for ya cowards we need to I was say a fortune and now resign I'm telling you.
Because you're IMF. No. Since 1957, every regime ever or the Ghana IMF. This is the 17th time we are going to IMF.
Because we are not getting things done right. Winning. Or maybe with the human interface and a ball brand who feel it. Yeah, the systems, any structures, and a teacher of mine. Now, any power managing. So we create the system. And the leaders work on the systems. Says Ghana, you pay our architectural structure of our constitution. We only elect managers. That's why resources in you are no more complaining. That is the reason why Oba no day failure I question the predecessor. Am I making sense here? And you know. You need direction do man ko asofo ehemfo mo so na meta machi na me nche kwa ya de hihye beto a Ghana only president awoba utimi sa we need an agenda constitutionally binding na dey look at our state resources obi ba no ko negotiation was say o man ye bre 3% go into them I told you, Ghana, you share with me $3 million. Now, Master businessman, and Sapekaboma, we can raise $3 million. I don't recommend Libanese for. I want to check the deal as the Lancaster.
Lancaster.
And Perivona just carry back door, and we make it to be a basis, Amagana. Now, if you say constitution, we say, when the Ghana Baby business, be at least 40% Beko state. And a share constitution and trend side. Aya wabeye de moye ekire Ghana fo akoma efe o mo diskari bia kogu aburuchira ma wo mu ana ediketu bia bre Ghana how do we develop as a nation? Eti, 16 times I have the children say the country need direction. Yet your Jama man your force say about our discretions about your man. No.
Is it wrong say about IMF?
Everything is wrong.
Okay.
They tell you wrong when they say Kofi Asante. The children say yani ye ni power o ma we mu a o mu wani so ade ngom betima magana si kwantimpom.
Okay.
Eti yani ya de won sa akwa abrofo no a ya gi independent efro mo say no mo share so no. Ene kwa de o ma ma ha o. Yani an ya so a ye nkrata akose ye timi hwe ya brabo so. Eti mu magina mo hwe so man. Eti o mo ukwa was odika oyere no ya sen. Me se me ya miensa. Ah obedi ka busa me. Odika o pay ya se me se me gi 2000. Oyere no ya sen me se o mu ya miensa. Obo obi akonhoma se me se me obi 550 Ghana a day. O sinti na ho kire no. Jamani mienu na nka one. Condition a ye mbani fo na so kwa be ma condition ti e tai no. Na obi bo pamba ma nyam komudin wa so.
Akuma FM.
Afei. Usu be si cathedral.
Yeah.
Akwasi ade. Sika se na odi si cathedral me say $350 million. O say akwasi.
First interchange. The jai cathedral. Oh, this is.
Na kwano kwa yesa me say we dey so me top pass questions. Was akwasi. Pass questions see. Emre atwa mu nyina teacher for na e parliament students. Enya aban bia na aye bida.
Tijai.
Intijai. Workshops akese. Afei I'm for muntie me. As gracia na article 71 holders na enjoy no. Mo ba mo fa nwo mu. Fa nwo mu ni. Nani na ye mu no. O ti ase. The tiana na do call IMF no. Kofi Asante.
Yeah.
Your debt to GDP 84%.
Serious.
Treasury bill 27%. Inflation is 28%.
Treasury bill cross almost 2 months. First night is this around 17.
Sir Abani Bura. Now, so we're trying to have local banks.
And almost 2.
And the local banks, no. We more relaxed. So many government be dealing than private sector. No.
The risk level knows.
The risk level. Until when the government start borrowing from domestically, now or the private sector access to credit. And when this happens, lending rate no cost. Now we busa bank manager was say, "O the committee in cancel," but me assume say between 30%.
Well, the last time I inquired between 26-25, depending on who I will quack.
It says a war being 30.
I'll be surprised.
A young one.
Okay.
Or policy credibility. The Chinese and another say, "Not you know, Dibu or money in answer." Nagana nipa 30 million so on trust obia. Say, obi betuma bonama yesi kwantimponum. Enti abofuna ya independent from some say black man can manage his own affairs no. Uma mahawo. And then another was running kukuni nkaka ekose mo manage yen. Na say dey me adodan kwa ekufuado. Ma pem.
Okay. Odike be da sebisa for obetimi join yen e wo yen Facebook page akoma 87.9 FM.
Akuma
obetimi share video I like page no mo share yen live on Onua TV a mayema wakwaba. Kwesi Adodike UPP founder and leader and amote say yen no di nkomo no. Kwakwasa Foje deputy communications officer for the NDC in Asante region. Ogu. Maybe abako there. Na eden ekoso.
Enrana ko IMF. Na ase obo playback no wayi ba ko afrim.
Yeah.
I heard the former director of communications for MPP.
Akuma FM.
Ade ne de no wa hu.
Me hu.
Uhu ye. Na de no wan fan to dwa.
Say me bubo be.
Because say it is only a mad and a foolish person who will go to IMF. I just say obi a wa Jimmy or ye kwasia ana wa bodam and e beka say Ghana enko IMF. tina was all kind of ma wa tie4 and no more hwe wo near TV ehun say MPP they no kasa ma wo mo officially e wa Asante mantem ha enne pe de o kan no o kan na kosi say Nanado ye kwase ana o kan na kosi say Nanado dan kwa kufuado wa bodam so si dua mu mokwaku a ebe no na si.
I said the NDC money agibi say.
I said the NDC yeni agi because the more Adaunaba move on, you are just a bunch of hypocrites. You starting catching mo say Nana Akufo-Addo say o man na ye ne. E na no di keke bi kire mo no. Ya gagi media houses ni nyina. Most media men are on the payroll of these people. Me say under this current regime, you have had even foreigners and they criticize the bad way of corruption. Foreigners, you have the US ambassador, you have the Danish ambassador, you have the Netherlands ambassador. Even Omuamutia man on impo ese krono kata se proye dream die koso. And people here, some journalists, clergy, opinion leaders, chiefs were quiet and praise singing Nana Adaunaba Akufo-Addo.
And nemre mu hwana singing praise for Nana Akufo-Addo.
Enye mamen cancel. Enye mamen cancel. Ayemfo mo na baso da bia.
Omo boda, omo ka no man asai.
Ayemfo mo na baso da bia.
Omo fu, eni asofo bi.
Ensentrofo bi e mo na baso da bia. Yantia na Reverend Mate say they were kasa na text messages. Ayeko IMF for the text message
FM.
Wasn't the test na mawana. So you see the kind of people we are dealing with. As software enu na amen na Christianity enipa bebre akoma na omo wure ya free mu because the people that we look up to and then omo nyina adani nya atwomfo omo nyina ntimi nka no kura because omo fo ye ma. Look at the corruption that has engulfed the National Cathedral. And so you have senior members of the clergy defending that nonsense. What you are saying? You have senior members of the clergy who defending what you are saying? And to Kofi Asante Mameka no krancho and then omo di nyamesuma nim kan dey business. It is a obi criticize Christianity now problem. Kanukura tira mpanimfo na di monim kan no as an elder wo tira ha kanukura tira omo so di omo ye no edi nyamesuma nim onyam oba form. That is why Christianity has been under attack. Because the people are not living up to the tenets of Christianity, their principles. What Bible no ye nyina call Sunday school omo de tete ye no.
No cry ra.
What you say? Etu Kofi Asante anu na ma ye obi enye say ye obi de. Omo akasa de na omo anka.
Akuma
na do na anka so wa meka se enko IMF na ye enko kira. Bafi deputy trade minister.
Yeah.
Wa meka se ye enko IMF ma small boys bia e meditate mo. Kennedy Japan. Dia na ono anka say it takes only a failed government. Abaya say oni nimdie abaya
anope wa kan say
abaya wa bon abaya wa kwasie e na beka say oko IMF what you say yes John Kuma say yanko ne yanko kina ade say bia omo opposition
akuma
what you say etu Kofi Asante nya say ye obi de sasa nkweni kwa so oka because you have played what they said about IMF.
Yeah.
One of the reasons why you pam Muhammad Flakunya so and your MPP for campaign message back when they say Muhammad Ghana ko IMF.
Sure.
But most central for na munim pass the IMF program of President Muhammad Kowremu was supposed to have ended April 2017. As so they extended it for almost 2 years. As so still are not mo better radio so cause omo de omo ko IMF da. But you knew they had extended President Muhammad's IMF program 2 years.
FM.
Meboa ka tem say meboa.
Sure.
Eso so business enye na officially omo akọ for another program. Aka na mo communicators bet na create impression say NDC for nko na call IMF. Ebi na make sa hypocrisy near you. They say it and they get away. They get away with it. What you say? No the case can sembi. Hwe Kofi Asante. Ko 2021 media review budget ni Kofi ma o product me pese na enye exercise bi 2021 media review budget na omo fan to mu screen so ka ebebo atie fo omo hwe program
akuma FM
na Kofi Asante me say ubia ko page 99.
Okay.
Page 99 of the
2021 media
2021 media review budget.
Page 29.
Page 29.
Is it the abridged version?
No,
Okay.
the full
version. Okay.
Yes. Page 29. Page 29.
Okay.
99, page 99. Now, COVID expenditure. COVID expenditure, or more ankasa de share budget in the brain. Kofi Asante. Or more expenditures, or more de share, more de brain. Or more say, and you, Appendix 4P, Appendix 4B. First one. Omutre government of Ghana contingency fund omudo omusako bo mu no so omko yi say 1.2 billion. World Bank for sika so omode bae say 1.334 billion. Sika no bebrebe COVID-19 facility de kwaje wo ayi no eno susu ni nyina hye esame up to 19.3 billion Ghana cedis. That is the first tranche. Now the same thing COVID sika ekomu 2021 budget ahaso so de 6.2 billion. Ukaboma 21 billion and I'm bro. That be 26. Say we 19 plus 6
Akuma FM
26 billion because we 19.3 and away yes. So 26 made them find 26 because Kofi Asante you 19.3 billion and you 6.2 billion. It's almost 26 billion. What you say? Page 99. What you say? As soon as I can overeta after so the we share budget in him. Kofi, you are a grand total. So the general that come out here for who say and yasa for Jane Aboni Trima.
Oh, projected. Don't worry.
What you say? As you can overeta the catch say COVID maybe COVID expenses in Inano. You spend this and you 12 billion and I'm a boy. 12 billion,
yeah.
Meanwhile, no nado. In the State of the Nations address, Abeka say 17 billion.
And about me also 8.2.
So also budget na kasa kire say sika e baye COVID-19 who sika e baye enko ano almost 26 billion.
Me na me kuta 25.
Enti Kofi Asante aban we de ne de ma ne yesonko ne say aban na boga na kro no atam ye sika akodi omawia Ghana sika e na de Ghana akwa hunyehiam e na no mada no oman na ma IMF for enti nyase ehia Ghana man because if I tell you the total amount of IMF programs I have since 1966. Ebesi ne die ya. The total amount comes to $2.5 billion.
Peanut.
$2.5 billion. The total amount free say Ghana started say yako IMF. Sika yako bi amode maye no. Okay kaboma besi 2015 dia yako ya. Okay kani nyina bom. Now for the exchange rate na $2.5 billion. So unim say COVID sika we over 26 billion no. For the current exchange rate you will get almost 3.6 billion. Onza shoko
Akuma FM
me see IMF ayako bebrebe ni nyina okeka ni nyina abomu a be see 2015 dia ayako ye omo extended by 2019 okeka ni nyina abomu in terms of dollar value no ye $2.5 billion. Anna COVID-19 odike COVID-19 expenses in so no o converting only between that 2020-2021 no o kaboma the value in dollar almost $3.6 billion. It is a buy wensem on from 2022-2020
Ghana cedis.
Yes
And you convert here, you are giving you is it million or
Akuma FM
calculation we nyodin IMF am 2 billion. IMF am I saying. So you cannot dispute the figures. We took $2 billion from IMF.
Yeah.
World Bank gave us a little over 600 million. European Union, my saying. Unim say na kwa na mi say Korea buy kwa any Korea buy mu nyina ma iska. O ma iska twice. First one was 0.65 million and another $30 million and another 30 million. Germany 40 million euros. And nyina wa.
And a Bank of Ghana my
what yes? SM and he said sika buy wensem within the last 2 years. COVID in kwa. More than sika yanya free IMF for some since 1966. Na say amamu we economy na say de ka tire nyina say sika na ngura economy we mu ana adwuma. According to Kofi bottom Kofi or they have squandered the money. Oma wie ye sika di nanka say na obi betimi ka kire say. Ye koye agenda 111 logo. Enti 36 million Ghana cedis logo. Logo aye design logo. Kofi akoma FM logo we cost o sen. 10 cedi kure nru 10 cedi. Logo we design 10 cedi kure nru.
Simplifying the discussion.
Na simplify. Na logo bi anye logo. Agenda 111 logo no. Ye heavy logo. That be Kofi heavy logo. Kofi Asante mi busaw. Heavy logo.
Akoma.
Ya the board na ye logo no a. De ye hu no enye logo ya design ya bia. Na wo ba be ka kire say wakwa akoye logo 36 million. Odike what be that?
Agenda one logo na ho na efe.
And I'm say logo we any Akoma FM logo no enye the same thing. There be Odike me bisa
by explanation by the new logo no kwa.
Akoma production. Philippe page 101 of the same media review budget me kire Kofi na exercise bi wa. Ya maye propaganda. Speak to facts. O person kire say for dia kan bibi enya no kra for superior facts adduce to superior facts. Enya so be bo trima be refer parliament a house of record.
Of course.
I am using the government's own figure. And I wo TIA communicator unimu nchen Kenoforiata. These are figures that were presented by Kenoforiata, who is the finance minister, to parliament. You can download same on your phone. Eti Mumfanko page 101. Page 101. Kofi what do? Page 101.
Production. Get it, but anyway, my member
Kofi. Oh, that be Mr. Mame Kamasim. That will be more to my just let me flow. Be able to waba.
Okay.
Kofi, so you can. One gasa obetimi ahwa ade bi wa ha. Obetimi ahwa ade bi wa ha. Hwe.
Okasa pa.
Hwe the third item. Kofi hwe the third item.
Yeah.
Hwe the third item on page 101. Ehwo na obehu say sa logo ni sika na ye no kre.
Free so.
Oh, Kofi Asante.
On the project.
Dabi me pese one gasa wo hwe asa.
I'm fan to screen so na ATA on so timi ahwe bi.
Eni odike hwe bi.
Akoma FM.
The third no onko so 101. Okwako 100. Ombra page 101.
10. So this
after who the provision of what? Health infrastructure agenda 111. Payment for consultancy, design, project management and what? And what? Kofi read there. What obi na aba no say junior baba nka we ka.
Etemeni wa baba.
Yes. And then
coordination.
I say amount 10 1.476 billion.
So it's not just a logo.
Now project design.
Consultancy.
1.4 billion. Kofi, are you defending this?
No, I'm not defending, but I'm only
I am telling you, sir. If they tell you, sir, if they have allocated 1.4 billion Ghana cedis
for consultancy.
No, wait. Other consultancy, who don't you do consultancy?
We do.
Don't you do consultancy? Fred, our man so. Na Fred architects omo KNUST. Na buso omo say omo mu why na ye adwuma. Say oye project design consultancy a ni sika kura do 500 million Ghana cedis da. Why you me sika no e ka say according to what? You say e kro no. Do you know the amount? It was just 52.1 million. 52.1 million. And I near say why you ma bo kro no bia e bi si da. Ghana sika nyina akodi why you me ho.
It's a good track mu.
Yes, and we are talking about not 200 million. Not 300 million, not 500 million, not 800 million, 1.4 billion.
Ghana cedis.
It is in the budget. Now, I catch you say out of that, almost 36. The design of the logo. Kofi, 36. The design of the logo.
Dangerous.
Plenty free. Chrono because the Americans I see Odike. Anya she. Kofi wo audio no.
Why audio?
Vice chairperson or Tamalino.
Akoma FM.
Ono dia dance aba se sika no ma chadi. O se ono nko ono po ye vice chairperson. Ye man 100,000 Ghana cedis, 1 billion oje ye. O se ko bi sika omo tem omo di. In the audio Kofi bona kaka man for say enkofo we wie sika di. We abrante we ni kwa say e man pie ko.
O bende.
Dabi we was say e hire no, odike was say e hire no.
Hey, no, you are.
What this can be?
You are inciting the public again.
Dabi
an innocent man watching a Joshua no
ọba bẹ defend ba wọn ni rẹ fi sẹ
dia wadi
kẹnufo yata nom sika ọma sisa no wọn yẹ bi bẹ
odikement so we eni kwase yẹ ma no pie
a young man innocent man
David Kofi eni kwase yẹ ma no pie Kofi eni kwase yẹ ma no pie what you say what this can be because here Kofi what person was say one no vice ye man 100,000 tete no 1 billion and e possible say chairman kura betimi anya 300,000 which is 3 billion
so woman ni
aha na ka bodi audio no na me de manosi make asa na mo for audio no make asa bio na mo ka Ghana for say ye ko IMF ni because na akufo ado ni na busuafo abeso Ghana mo wiya sika no na me uni madam hu say na odike ka say me say na na do ye wiki odike mpo de chen me I will describe them as evil. Do you know why?
87.9
Keloforiata wunya liver problem ama uda ho for almost 6 months ni nyina ye bompa e ma na wo sori ya akoye transplant of liver uba ye onum steroids wanim ye nyina ye hu dia ye ntwetwe nwie na uba ya afa gold we che from Japan obi a wako huo ne nkwankwanta ye nim se ke bi kura be resample astate akwa asori na Nyankopon to nsa flower when ajane se ni faso akọ heaven kromu adwene yenwia Ghana for gold ma ya busuafo
I think you are going personal.
I will go personal.
Obi health is something with
untie Professor Amese yare ye kan he is a public officer or pese or yare am yen kan he should resign utu fear. Nobody cares about you. Kofi ene yeti mabo obi otifie din. But once you are at or call hospital na on the expenses of the taxpayer.
Also amfo also okọ amfo.
Da bia sa no mbeka kire. Masa so anko hospital. Oyare omo dia tin so oyare. Na omo aka so oyare. What I am talking about enya yare no. Get me right.
That is what I don't want us to go.
Uti me ka say me say ti.
On fa yare ni nsiri no.
Me fa yare nsiri no me say anko obi a okọ sa situation nim
epie ye no
ko so sesa e wo se nka na adwen akasa no o sesa de make awati ase o se ye wo ade bia etu nipa etimi sesa nipa me bo aka chem se me bo
afutu nsakra nipa je nso
yes enti ade bo enso hwe ba na kom wi a you expect a certain change but onu de oba e na still a ode ajape ba obe wi a na Kofi me de mama me fo ma no
I land wa ha misro
odike kan sembi na ice on person obe
Akuma FM
abanwe o ma so mo dwene Ghana fo hu na mate se amanfo start ewura ne propaganda bi and IMF for no be
87.9
and that propaganda started coming from government abana na de sa narrative no eba
opese onu agu
abana opese otwam
onu wa ready
na akufo ado epese otwa free SHS because opposition member bi anka say ye kwa ye betwam abano ne kwadwe opon kroma na de sa narrative na say da den abetum. If you check appendix 6 of the 2021 budget, appendix 6, go and check the total amount of government in the flagship program. Kofi check it. You see, say, against BC Ayabo almost 400 billion now. What you say? And yes, in the face of all the flagship programs, the grand total, including free SHS, school feeding, planting for food and jobs, whatever, youth in afforestation, grand total. What the 400 billion you see what say the Bisia bomb put in the running of mine on Kwa. It flies in the face of it. Kofi, 87.9 and now free SHS in Tina Ghana do baby every. And then you feed
87.9
and then you why now youth in afforestation and Napco. Tina do baby do.
Okay.
Na Kufuado ni na busuafo.
Akuma
connection men. E wa ban mu. E wi Ghana sika no a. E wo se ka development no. Ena omodia kwato baabi ena na omaja Ghana na to because enya omaja pade na na do ko
anti free.
Thank you very much Kwasa for JODK ya ba ye betcheme enyamre we will discuss the second session of it but mama minua dua Henry Akwaba dua youth communications director for the region
yes,
and of course Ejoso
and then immediate past youth organizer
for Ejoso constituency bibi aboko there
oba the other Ragovi
yeah mama ntio anope
Akuma FM
is your communication ID for the MPP
why when can
as people are saying
sir Medasi.
Na mean you.
Ragovi.
Yeah.
Say your share semua cost this time.
Yeah.
Your best stress say. See na kwan ye kasa we fidie so a. Ye mpanyimfo ye ma ye kasa honte na nko panyimfo. Enkra 80. Ene ye Saturday. Enkra wo fie. Ekoye Monday bi kra dia beka so mo classroom to mo ntie radio. Na papa panyini ebetena ha be you see. Filthy West. Ema o man panyini a. Wonso pese obey o man panyini.
Akuma FM.
Forgetting say ochira bi.
I have never discussed with you I want to be president.
Oh yes, small boy, won your papa panyini. Please. Oh yes, small boy, won your papa panyini. And I won ka say o president ready.
President no buye.
Oh yes, small boy, won your papa panyini ti. Me won na men kasa. So what you say? Oh, when you attack,
Concluding this.
when you attack.
Manning concluding the point. No, no, we are not helping the statement. Manning concluding. We are.
You see.
No, please.
Describing
No.
certain words as filthy.
Me pacho onyen ka asem no ntim let him finish. Allow him. Me pacho dia, me pacho make your comment. Make your
Kofi.
Make your argument.
Akuma
Enti best
FM.
say enne emofre si omo niam wo fie ti omo tie mpanyifo ti ema ye kasa honte asim panyini maka say awie no na ma stress Ghana ebraso se politicians ye kasa yenhwe ye kasa mu yi kasa no a yenhwe ne ye ne ye say sometimes we make a statement ebe ye say bia the condition bi ebeto ho wa fa condition anto ho a mpanyini kura se mi swai mi yare ye ohini swaya o se mi swai mi yare okay nti so ohini bi ye de ni si akonwa so na okwa no emphatically say de tie bia no meye ABC amamo ebra wo fra mi bia no me sorry na ma be hia wo ba bi kura wo fra mi a what if so oda o yare paso a what will happen? This is to say ebra abandada no eko IMF communications are a course ebra John Dramani Mahama ni team a propose say 11 no yanko ho no mum yanko IMF communications
Akuma FM.
for you know the gidi sense ka ko ba say Ghana se yete ho ne asetena mu na brichie bia me boy yan the new patriotic party will never run to IMF and can enya any say communication no asesa no
Okay.
enti ya be stress going forward we ebie yen nyina yeni political party ba ko ntena ban mu nkosi afebo
Of course.
enti na idi obekan no ochina you will be judged by ensemwa okaye enu nti say nenko for judge the new patriotic party e wo yen ensemwa ye kan ya aba me as communicator and as a youth after free mu say going
Akuma
for make
FM.
statement bia na condition wo ho a me fa condition no emra na ensetian ni nyina anya pene da nyina nso so ense si yehwa communication a ene amanfo ye dede ni ade a 2006 na chen say you 2006 ebra mampanyi kofo the health insurance aba hwe niema papa mampanyi kofo de by free maternal health care, free basic education, roads, interchanges ahodo a mampanyi kofo e de baye no we had people to the extent says habre no 2007 2008 na confrontation am we be apie Ghana na efe no atayi they likened Omampenyin Kofo, former Omampenyin Kofo, to Atayi. Fast forward, 2009, they hailed Omampenyin Kofo. So unim say no kre. Ya to aba e man tro ne ade ne niam say ya Omampenyin Kofo de oman yi kwa breach ye bebo Ghana wiase nyina 2007. E man full e course through 2007 and wiase o control a enyeye anko for the year campaign the dollars near the year campaign no time my yesesa by 2009 e ba ye no 6 months down the line na nipa Ghana ni bia obebisa ne bia o se me man to aba ma NDC it happened in Ghana obi ase man to aba ma NDC na hwan mo esaman for na beto aba no e ma NDC ana abo na beto aba no e ma NDC obi ase man to aba ma NDC afa duru maybe no na ye maame no ndwomfo ma so ma nuo mo so ma mpia nkoto aba ebere ni bi na aduru sisiye no esan se wiase nyina na briche abo wiase nyina okay eduru maybe na asefem
Akuma FM
enche bia yedi 11 eba we said say proposition na aba no se kobase bibia be koto tete se de aban no ne aban mu mpanimfo pe no ne yebetini agije yan kasa Ghana fo yebetini atuatu ankakra we will never go to IMF. Is that the language today? You're not a whole minority leader. Wajina simpie so akase yan na ye wo musa ye bomwa men 11 no aye fiasco pascal 11 no aye fiasco na emienu NDC side omo say mama mfa mo nsanka 11 no munko IMF and I say no IMF no kwa conditions ni ade e beba no but we also said on records NPP ye kan said choosing between 11 and IMF we prefer 11 yes and ye kan ye na namu ankasa metie MPs NDC MPs on air omo kase from the time 11 buy no omo send him mobile money da entufo said odi na chi oto na aba man no e de no be ye enti say NDC agu 11 the alternative omo kan ye no and I done it on Ghanaians and then we said it na na ugina hade dey asem na woken e de na woka o ka che say there be 11 no mfa nto ho na monko IMF and then it is just as if say 11 no e da ho because sika yes e benya free mu no say sika no emma the reason nene say NDC for faculty kwan so can someone give the dog a bad name and then hang it and now hang it 11 o hang it no o catch say your alternative to 11 IMF when they say no say aban consider so be call IMF o na nyame ase
Akuma FM
say o da nyame ase o until you best say how the communication is going Kofi asafo je twantro bebre wa fidie so o si logo besiaba sika amampanyin na ado danko akufado ni team forgetting say wan kasa o ma ne dadie no still na ogina ho still ogina ba bia ogina atiefo His Excellency na ado danko akufado enkofa heaven pencil enkoma contractor bia consultant bia so onko draw logo no make that amount 36 million bia it is not true NDC for they say yeah and someone will kabu wa mampanyi kofo so no ebi na adu because ne ye twa 8 years then sabe ye twa 8 years enti san sem no na we dey ente hwe kra oh o kasana was here someone now come try as for je open no plan you so to there be don't come in what should that
don't worry on say say as for je transfer be and me dey 36 million and 2
yeah
it is only fair say unya ka say me transfer there now what say bia logo
36 million enye logo nko a 36 million enye logo nko a now be jina be ka kire say obi si wasi dan edan aye wo mu yi ni nyina no oh please edan aye si yi ni nyina ye 100,000 now be ka kire say wakotwa blog 100,000 e ka kire say no eye dan ni nyina na ye 100,000 a asem no oh please as for je ya guys and man na na wo ye
me person ko kana for
next round no wan sha won kasa wo unse bia sida wo next round o Kofi asafo won kasa wo
to make your submission o we are come
Kofi
Akuma FM
the new patriotic party ya baji economy na ye managing say na esiko is it not on records 2019 say Ghana we are say amaya twa ehu hia nyina Ghana ni Cote d'Ivoire ene amaya na enyini pa wan na manage sa economy no enya His Excellency na ado danko akufado ni team ya na manage time one na yare bia mebo ye na covid bia mebo ye no na ntokwa bia nkoso o His Excellency John Dramani Mahama e de echo IMF 2015 yemmisa ye ho say 2015 na ye ko
Akuma FM
asefo agye mo bo countries a na mo so akoye o hye so mo so ko IMF ni bi o misa ne ho na o ma ye countries a sesi akoye o hye say wo so ko o ko IMF almighty Egypt and let me know ka say Egypt of all countries Ennin IMF e ko pesika e de abeboa ne man e de na asi e covid any war e wo nkofo aman so e na akose sa okay say dem di kan ye no mesi opanyin bia ye de wo ti akonwa so bia na usuaye a wo se mi suaye na me yiyare okay enne covid ama wiase nyina titi apansam na ye comparison o say IMF for my $2 billion. Meanwhile, we are aware say 1 billion. You are aware.
Anywhere bank.
Oh please. Oh kasana o kan we ko papa wo de wo basa wo be boa NDC. You keep quiet. Miria no boa NDC.
We projected the figures into the
so what I say? Okay, you also 2 billion. Know you very well. So for you minimum no law onim pa. E ye ba bia kan lecturers a friend ko twanechi. Say some na wo kokka no. Oh, you're a law student. And think you can answer me. Yes, I have credibility. I be at stake. You what transfer because Emma NDC. What for NDC? Subana na will go the NDC way. Kofi. Obia obeka se Ghana enye din. Mpempe ya no. Sinipa ni hu. Ghana emu ayedin. But Ghana no ayedin no. Ghana is not living in isolation. Enche bia Ghana timi de ne hone Cote d'Ivoire kabo mu say yen cocoa price sen ye pese deje eye adwuma ewo ewiase ene Ghana eye adwuma e ma yen okay
Akuma FM
na say yare aba na ntokwa asi na enu nti ewiase nyina esu for the first time obroni akogina pump tiatia mu say ei ye hu bi da for the first time omo aye kwasere omu sika no omo gina pump say emu aye hu yanti bi da now so wo Ghana enu nti yes his excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ye 2016 ye promise say ye beba be yi Ghana for free omade so mu e de omako ba bia e hoye e no kra we promised that ne ye promise ye no ye ba ye no ye dey measure ne say before covid say na Ghana ye ni na it say
okay
enu nti ene ya ye kasa yi amidst hardship any niema no free SHS yentwamu edaso ye adwuma intervention bia program bia ye de ba ye bia daso ye adwuma enne ya aman a atwa ye ho ahia bi mo tete o madwuma yefo akatua so no Ghana dwuma ni bia ni ho obetumi akase yate na akatua so enne Ghana boso meso a gone were the days asa boso meso a unim time cry di tua ka teacher ni ko no nim na katua woje under John Dramani
Akuma FM
teacher for no munim akatua woje oba okwa de da account ni mu no then you take it
by the time
so what
has come January February workers were crying for their salaries.
Kofi
This year
Kofi workers were crying for their salaries travel to date ben
for about 2 months.
oh no 2 months ni ntua workers ka
No, sir.
no em ya kasa ne sadia delay no na make say travel to say you were first say February then say yakosi March mu enti March say date ni na ye say
somewhere around 10th.
10th day Kofi until you prove it.
Okay.
Until you prove it. Any farmers.
Yo.
But the American say
Akuma FM
under John Dramani Mahama na me ye adwuma akatua no time we pen na eba
I see.
na time we beba no obekọ account nim de dem no then you take it okay de dem bia no wafa
salary de dem bia no wafa
I just say eswati but you can't complain.
Oh really?
Yes.
Come on, that is serious.
Eswati but you can't complain.
Government worker.
Yes. Na ye tua bi na nti Kofi won ti Ghana ha na ye tua ka ye tua teacher for ka na akoye tot.
No, meba. I am aware.
Na ye tot.
Meba. I am aware teachers who had taught for ABR 3 years.
No ma
but say wo salary abosome ABR with 1,000. Now at the end of the month the amount 800 and I say amount 600 untimi misasa 400 no way.
I'm telling you there were disparities. There were disparities in salaries.
It may not come from government. It might be from control.
There were,
and will be
but I am telling you,
you go for it.
Kofi, I am telling you, there were disparities.
Salary
Yes,
is fixed.
but I'm telling you, Kofi, there were disparities in salaries. It be affecting me.
And then
okay,
and then in the you may have some individuals scribe abosom besono. The salary na emma. What I say. And then no offer verification offer the supervisors near the idea. They will restore your salary.
Kofi, is this time in see.
Oh, right.
Omo salary emma no. Omo this time. Wow, salary emma no. Kofi. Obi a validation. Be a validating.
Of course. So why?
It is a validate what? The who say so a teacher ni na say a particular month you validate you. One shall see can cross a mountain maybe.
Exactly.
So what I say. Na Saturday validation be or near digital validation be or NDC time. There were no validation in NDC time. Okay, Kofi. And unti yes. Oh my Ghana. Emu ayede. And tisa bra na NDC.
Akuma FM.
We are seeing na and as a breach we aboyen. And the best say yes.
Yeah.
Madam Anusi ni Kofi. Na me stress say IMF ye consider say ye be kono. We will make sure say basi ye kotena table ho with mpanimfo a conditions e be ye atwam conditions a e be ha ye mabunu ni ade de me nyini say ya ban yi e de ni sabaka koshe conditions a what I'm saying is conditions e look akoye atwam conditions de I don't think say Maban Edin Sabaka Koshas.
May I say, for higher Akuma 87.9 FM live on Unia TV, baby, I will be out.
Akuma FM.
And I'll pay good morning live also on Papa B TV and all other radio stations and television stations. I'm picking programming. Yam faster than Emma the Big Six movie. Enra started the premiering. Enra numre na SG More at Ajedi Post. Ni part of the by 6 a.m. at 6 p.m. and after 8:30 p.m. Sections 2 I call it was very interesting. And tine ene ya ene me patro bonunsia SG More ya ko so na 8:30 p.m. so ya ko Emilia Broby, Agitana, Rosalind Nziga, and all our movie actors, the actress, and so on later. And run just all here now Untimi Crown Wasre. And to Boba den Sango no 40 Ghana the Zuba Gate on Sabeka ticket. Sanso and now back my FM and another payer on Sabeka Biakusi said Nusiabe Bono. Double and I say Ubia one partner there 60 Ghana cities. Poku trading Okwano payer on Sabeka be a doom Sanson a day-to-day supermarket inside SG Mall, Kunti Supermarket, KUST, Jevandi, and so restaurants, Kumase Mall, nothing, other areas in Ano Oba on Sabekan. But of friend number is CMA 0543 2168 2168 0543 2168 46. Nti baby a wo bia no bo na bra na yenkonko share the Big Six movie akoma ene Royal View Cinema yaka bomu a yede ebre wo 0243 mo amohwe TV no that numbers no egu screen ani na waje for reservation ofre nso a onsa beka bi 0543 216846 kwasi ade odike yenhwe other areas
me wo enema bia me
mamitio
Kofi Asante yenti metna na yem bi IMF wa bra yem profess alternatives
okay.
I will never ever do that dedi kan no abawi enye COVID and say Ukraine na me yan wa kire yen
okay
dia me yan wa kire yen say abawi ba no on one deliberate policies also the buy Ghana year no am I a value for money a fairly adia bia this kabe kwa kwem when now returns on your investment at the Canada
Akuma FM
my picking infrastructure get fund our cash flow and you may intama haboni ade no you ska bia you tuade ko boy education who trade utia your component ya de ko boy education it get fund our cash flow about we buy no o the cash flow get fund cash flow kwaje bosa $1.4 billion Oma collateralize no. Esia wo ama contractors a esi school dam ye jai green traffic light
Akuma FM.
Ebesi na wo mo sisi dormitories. Yakwaji school yemfo muskama wo mo. The contractors need to spend it. The money is stuck our bem. The contractors sika akam road contractors yawo road fund yawo mama also ye collateral akwaje 1.6 billion or UBA ba oba kono omu release only first tranche which was 600 million it yawo ma kwata benya 600 million
Akuma FM.
Kofi Asante bo sia bebre ba ya no contractors ka eguo sesia yentua ye no Kofi Asante ye di jatuma enne just one contractor be free site America road
all contractors especially in Asante region.
It about one the biggest spender who spend this kakese it is a wo contractor for sika o ka say about ka so ye auditing road equals say you spending $5 million
especially Kuku rules
ni nyinara esa say Kofi
Akuma
Thank for
FM.
food and job two models cereals and vegetables and na the target Kofi a committee over $2 billion akoto also be the president no and I'm not say before the
87.9
amount no na a bro bag 120 Ghana e okruma and a bro is 700 Ghana now this ka kowura de bi mu wo mo de sky e ya chiche mi ka chom sa masa ya de sky ado ache it is about the policy ba ya the policy the one West Africa any target na any mechanized agriculture you to borehole our man from bringing irrigation to the farm gate of ordinary Ghanaian almost said that you could to a dam e osrim manhole what kind mame our kumsi was some mame 250,000 no na mo pedam papa be omi ko tutu manhole na ntwe mi nsa ko nyawa no ma nsuo omi na asa
odike na ntwe mi nsa
Kofi Asante
omnu nsuo
mame nche wade mi 84 community
Akuma FM.
obiafo our 20 kilometers away from the dam obena wa access nsuo Kofi what you no to nchan a free education and now for the boka esen send you school fees o pap busa awofo bia aduane papa kura so ni ho Kofi mi yiri makoma me mpa dia meka meja ho watra menim ye yewura mama kro no na oil yetuo no kofo time ne yanya 1 na kofo peso yekuta 7
Akuma FM.
what it means is say oil yenya no bebre abeka ho enti yesika bebre aba Kofi Asante levi omuka se baye levi me prescription de baye ne say abai when I was here call digital electronic you move away from cash to cashless economy it also na model the way the honors lies on the government
or prefer solutions
man prefer
without necessarily e-levy
man prefer electronic payment
Akuma FM.
sectors na ja ordinary Ghanaian wo di 200 ni ade ba na kesika ya buro
na you maintain
I can't me wuda
you maintain roto
I can't me wuda nyanya roto kwa ya improvise ni enko no electronic
yes
because wo mo to no enipa akwasa le do na ni nua to ha o akwasa do atwam ba say electronic enim nua bia usoro ai duba ndo ya no
chip and a ball card
and a ball card ani
du ha pa na nti mo ho a ye be charge wo ube
wokɔ ya
DVLA
wokɔ ya
Akuma FM.
Kanabo for the whole year.
neɛ de abɔ
Udu baabi a-
wosika na wotua no wotwam nya na ɛte
Ono krom ni offend say.
butu bia wɔ hɔ
No.
Kofi Asante
Roto no boys.
ana tomato ni gyene kɔkoto backyard a ɛfiri Burkina Faso wɔmu ntoɔso wɔmu produce no 80% ba Ghana na wɔm de abɛsesa Ghana sika kɔ
Jane kwada so say.
akoto backyard kɔlɛ gyene na yɛyi na nɔpɛ over 70 trucks wote aseɛ Kofi bosia na nado boy no majority of the loans ɛkɔ consumption
Akuma
they get value for money Kofi World Bank country director say na now way wamemuru usika sem like transparency MPP a very good party I must confess nipa umbetuma boama na nado asosidi no omu nyina ate bench Kofi yare na ba wiase no me be tell video in that say
87.9.
we can use this pandemic
Akuma
to our advantage
87.9.
and I say ebe push more money akwa
Akuma
na
FM.
mechanize agriculture within this period yemfa bro any a target the whole West Africa yema bro yedua bro last scale na 350 million people are what sub-region ha no yeah target ni say yare na ba the advantage ka bia yenya bia dua bro because I mean I envisage say kombeba aduane bo be den Kofi amu keep records esala mama me bre
ODK.
esala mama me bre
ODK.
na busi akwajinya yen channel into mechanized agriculture yen staple food the whole West Africa yen nya yedibom na yen isi na so say ye duam na buso yen nya bia di ne bia akwaji ska ba crude oil Kofi Asante Tema oil refinery Kwame Nkrumah time na ye ni crude oil ni ye discover oil ba Nkrumah wisdom ohun say seka all the petroleum items na freight nko akra nya asem ketwa eti osi to se me kra crude oil nko ba na me bechiche mu ha e be my savings Kofi ene oil ni bi wa ye crude oil na arawo se mo mu ni se ye so ye crude oil ni gu shipum etua freight e ko abotire ekoton ye wia na obi akonu a ho we use the refinery den ne mfa so ato so Kofi Asante tie petrol ba one ship load you tua freight gasoline ba one ship load you tua freight aviation fuel ba one ship load you tua freight premium fuel ba one ship load you tua freight v power ba one ship load enipa be ne ye enano makasa ma yewura napo was omo patrano mo a revamp to na ye de atuabo ayi na ye no akwa eno ni Ukraine eno na me
Akuma FM.
tell me Kofi enyama na akoso ama ye ho akye nyina ye self inflicted at this hour what is cathedral obi ebeka cho say in future ede mfaso bebre Kofi Asante me ka kire won ne ye di hia san ye for the national theater ni siaka intimate taker a good magana yes
Yeah.
by intimate taker Accra International Conference Center a good magana intimate taker yes ha ne me bra economy ye now yes me ya janchirima no mu dia
Akuma FM.
I have been fighting for the nation but not at this time.
Akuma 87.
How many people and a be pilgrimage in Ghana say yeah ba be Ghana katika yes ku so kom here Christianity Ghana for a chafra wo say I import religion every baby na buy anya origin anya ye free ha yeah ko fa free baby na ba it was expect say is for be say o ba be worship ha eja yes Christ krom Kofi enyama edi enya no enyama yem
Akuma FM.
the course secondary school no past questions masters na compile na ye nya keken sase ne de ama no na ye risua de aban se me makogi loan na loan am de kɔgye yɛ me de akɔtɔ pass questions
mathematical set
Jesus Christ of Nazareth maame ntua school fees yɛasa to pass questions yɛahyɛ ne bampa bɔ Kofi saa sluggish policies no ɛbɔ ɔman freebies egu ɔman MPP social intervention yɛ mo indoctrination
Akuma 87.9
capitalism
empowering people
Akuma FM.
growing individuals
it is our NDC for social intervention amajata mo ni ase no mo nka mo indoctrination no e be kyerɛ sɛ mo kra mo kɔ wrong side trust na nya me na nya no ma hwɛ me ma hwɛ oba ma me wo fa se wo Germany ne be ko school o man ska kutua bibi wo school mo da bia Kofi
Akuma 87.9
but me makwasi ade sɛ me be president me the cash flow na wo get fund no e be create educational
Akuma
bank
FM.
sa educational bank no wa wuntimi nhwɛ oba kɔ kɔgye bosia ne fa hwɛ no ye biometrify no akwada ne data so ɛda so sɛ Ghana ne hwɛ no owie school no nya adwuma ya onkotua na enya revolving fund na nipa afɔ so enya no mefa Ghana enya ho saa ebi ne sɛ na yɛ kwa IMF no na me ko sɛ na metmetwa school fees ama me ba me committee ene bond bia no metwa me school fees
kwasi odo de kemida
Sichena
thank you Sichena kwaje Sichena
Kofi Asante.
yes sir
Akuma
but
FM.
na me pese me bisa one thing about it appears say NDC from anywhere no you are organizing yourself because I am with you MPs ni bra I mean is it tears of joy you said and you but in all that overshare some Moambo party munso as we speak man for say is it the alternative for Ghana because as we speak kwabena go for and so the need the Ennin all trying to is it ahoto just say in all that no me person me nyantias here so even within the opposition na Ghana for leader say Ghana for leader say nka on ba rescue you know you appears not even to be organized so where is the faith for the people of Ghana because within your own party there are people within do not even trust the current John Dramani Mahama. Yes, we say MPP. We need to look for the alternative. Is the NDC the alternative when they are even divided among themselves?
Odike asema okay, wo master ne Akufo-Addo. Ena Akufo-Addo yin. Wa say Ghana. Nje ena master na mu mba say Ghana. Ya go for apprentice.
Odike master ne Akufo-Addo. Oh my God.
Undie de me gade make nyina say wo master ne Akufo-Addo.
Okay.
Na de hwe de master na mu aye Ghana. O say go for apprentice ne ma. And Kofi, I will address our issue no at the latter part of my submission.
Okay.
Kofi, Edikan, Minian, Mamuse, and your own Kwaneka, MPP for Bibri, Ekabi. Or see, oh, say I never call because under President Kofi, the second term Mukrano. Our yes, or they have insurance, need free maternal one airban. It was opposed. Say, I don't hear the argument there. Oh, crowd need any moral right to be talking about health insurance. The first government to oppose health insurance was this MPP government in opposition before Kofi became president, and I will give you proof. Kofi, call a year more than Ghana. Where April 26. Or say
April 26, 20 saying
this should be in 2007.
Okay.
And Obia any
okay.
This should be 2007. They say money okay, so I've gotten the date. 26 April 2000.
Okay.
Any Odike so will be 26 April 2000.
Akuma FM.
Me the better. Oh, me we are me the better. If you may, I can't.
Yeah,
me to be sorry free me. Any.
Yeah.
Just look at it.
Akuma 87.9.
Yeah, so you can Google. And the story nearby Ghana News Agency.
Okay.
And this was in 2000, the year 2000, before President Kofi became president in
Akuma
2001.
87.9.
Or say Dr. Kwame Adokofo, MP for Manchia, that time in Chemu.
Yeah.
On Tuesday, called on the government, which was the Rawlings government, to accept useful suggestions from the opposition.
Akuma FM.
He noted that the billions of cedis and energy wasted on the single national health insurance scheme could have been saved if the government had not brushed aside the minority suggestion in 1997 that such a scheme was not viable because they were in parliament. Dr. Adokofo, who is also the minority spokesperson on health, was reacting to the admission by Dr. Moses Adibo, Deputy Minister of Health, that the scheme has been found not to be feasible. Where a timer, not Chairman Rawlings, a pilot to National Health Insurance Scheme. Then Dr. Kwame Adokofo, who was the spokesperson of minority on health, ever criticized it, say, and you're useful, and for so. And yes, Nyamichao,
so private.
Where your records, one, and your MPP brain child. We have insurance and your MPP brain child and your one. Make and I have in fact copies of piloting card, photocopies. Maybe say me NTS say President Kufuor respecting. Enti normally be wo ha e ya na e pese e be kan be brave. But health insurance is not the brain child of the MPP. And as someone making Dr. Kwame Adokofo Ketreman Pro Ghana News Agency
FM.
Ghana News Agency a central for who are very credible. Maybe what?
Yeah.
And untimi metena me can say you know better than Dr. Kwame Adokofo. In fact, it seems say policies bebrebe wo ha Dr. Kwame Adokofo ta kire na adwen wo. Who can say Kofi fida dem. Dr. Yes, free SHS. Dr. Kwame Adokofo was one of the first people to criticize.
Time and was wrong.
What you say? So Dr. Kwame Adokofo is on record to have criticized free SHS, health insurance, Rawlings time or criticizing it. For the records, can ye Rawlings, Chairman Rawlings, ni baby, ni brain child, ni health insurance, NDC, brain child, ni health insurance. Abedi can criticize MPP. Oh, superior facts be now they are bad. Don't just say where you say and the ye kono. Any one. Two, or say me betina chantro. So sika a bag Ghana from IMF no. Then two one. Kofi first one was the rapid credit facility.
Yeah.
I Jenny in the year 2020. And on me the date now. So sika no buy 14th April 2020. 14th April 2020 near J. First $1 billion from the rapid credit facility. Now, in fact, also call ministry now website the second tranche, you know, another 1 billion buy. That was in 2021, August 23rd.
Okay.
And as published by Graphic, as published by Graphic, unless he's telling me, say, COVID buy in the year 2020 March, you know, yeah, enough facility be from IMF until August 2021. Is that what he's saying? Is that what he's saying? And to bad now, but now obi can asem na obi send o test or WhatsApp. Now o repeat same. Me edum so me gu animu ase so amfantini be say wala o wala. So what you say? And that 1 billion IMF support arrived. That way so when the rapid credit facility or see Ghana will today receive 1 billion from the International Monetary Fund as free unconditional money to be spent to support economic recovery efforts. The amount is the country's share of the increased allocation of funds to the IMF by 890 member countries, known as special drawing rights. Special drawing rights into SDR and Ghana Jimu 1 billion. Say COVID by energy no so how you better recover almost yes almost 1 billion. 2 billion no sources. Material 2 billion no sources. Due to superior facts. Superior facts. And metna baby make us obi boa. Prove say obi boa and waka so obi boa. Good. Kofi, what's that there no to afi was yan ni debut. Was yan na President Kufuor say na 2007 NDC for Akufo-Addo in the same name ya Jekun Kufuor. Akufo-Addo same name e de Jekun Kufuor.
Akuma 87.9.
To be boa. Ayi Fred Blay one na nadu ko gina takorade. Fred Blay say aduma ya ni fie na charge Jekun Kufuor.
Yes. Am kura say some Akufo-Addo abon ho mo de che. Ejo na Jekun Kufuor. Busa bi wa ho mani tum. Say President Kufuor second time. Say na no ma Ghana ayeden. amamo tantan wo de beto to president Kofi ho amamo fuwe and the petrol yasa atum Kofi eno na mete say so so mate so 8% say yasa atum mama ade no kura so 10 no total ton petrol 11 diesel asa akosoro kerosene akosoro
ade aye obi ye all refinery
why president Kofi tie wa no pa be ma ne boafu
again discussion
about 942 me the cake asa e pa mesrew wo be ma president Kofi boafu amamo fu say nya bi no obebu in any case na Kofi do onidi ye mu be say esamoniti na ye den ye chedin bisi adon ajekum Kofi ba bi na Kofi ado abo economic records of president ajekum Kofi are the same as president Kofi ado we are communicator for the current regime speak to Nanado records because of say Nanado has nothing to show president Kofi na see emergency center tire the Kofi ado asi wo kroma say so na wo compare tire yen me say president Kofi si Kofi no emergency Nana Kofi ado blabe no abo in terms of
87.9
maternity aye joy munu and your friend said kwam boatin wano Rebecca Kofi ado ne ka bomu so onimu a o mampani na yire
Akuma FM
pratia o mampani na mu me say onimu a o mampani na yire kra ya anto aba ama no ja say kwam boatin strategy discuss e fa ko complete ye ene Kofi Satan now
Ebia you is referring to the ongoing matter
there be maternity block maternity ban and I yante ye and Kofi ye ni
na ye buagu ayisi
and transcended this regime Sadan you see why ye ne is it that the Kofi ado stop that ye bunda ben me say stop that
Yebu ni da ben
Kofi ja me
so wako ho nan sei wako hwe de tie
be John je Kofi for Winneba Trauma Hospital sire de na Kofi ado asi sire de na Kofi ado asi promo sire de na Kofi ado aye wo be djuna ba wunya bibi nka se na Kofi ado ne say nem enye ajekum Kofi masa etifa no so to nchen ne nko anim eto so bi o wo say NDC for and the kasa ya na 11 yantua atire also wo opposition na da sa asem no me ye wo anka menka communication wise it is bad what it is telling you is that you are already in opposition because say do mama be kase e influence e wo ga nyabotro allow me it is a fact but I'm
parliament 137
we the opposition
so what you say
if we the opposition
one piece no insight
yes as for jebetna no ka say tax from me ntua na Ghana for tie na ya ntua de e kire on say today we in opposition no Ghana for hu as more sensible and competent than you say ne ye betena say media general Pam Kofi Asante no otena ya Pam Kofi Asante ade na e kire what communicate please
allow him
central market for my ya tiasa for je ya ntua yi levy omo na adopt him police station 2016 omantua e kire o say omato aba nu omo ho men na asafo je me be kan asem omu sa aba wo mnyansa wo omato aba fon hwe Kofi mu video ya amko guarantee human na oton ade no wo se mu breaking 8 na ye ne time plan na aba na otu akuronya obekwa akoyi afiri
na breaking the 1000
o se fa kokra na abebre fa microphone wa yi kokra na abebre what you say Kofi na me no ka say aba wo akwa taxes me no ka say sanitation tax yetua with the COVID-19 tax aba yetua financial sector clean up tax yetua aba charges na we increasing by 15% wo de ahotire we abeto Ghana for so na omuso omuntimi ntua 11 ya obebre ho ase no wo Ghana for na ahotire dada o say be impose tax how do you expect to rake in that revenue Kofi Ghana for na ho tire omo no a petrol bo okra na inflation ti yantimi afford 3 square meal a day no what impose another tax on us how do common sense will tell you are not going to get that revenue Kofi me last point
last point ended
krono amobo Kofi me di we twem na ma come last point unim say odike unim say ai Ameri plant yes ye tama free incline takrade ho e de abakuma se no it is costing us $35 million which is 287 million Ghana cedis krono amobo kro nya bindi o be defend o heme sakra wadwen heavy abai Kofi mami wie
eje pacho wetam na
mami wie heavy abai Kofi me pese me kire me nuan say o se aban na du bia bia they are compelled to go to IMF enya no kre ena no odike ka kire no nya no kre IMF no any IMF one from Sebra. As we can decide today, say IMF announcement will go term. And it's our word now we used to say, I could do I say, and now say, Nana Kufuado now say, Ninas and Nasa. Eti ba bia de na duru no me de me ho kodan IMF monwene mame se mini adwene bia amadwene bia de aduru de ade se IMF uba mu o de aduru ade se IMF uba mu Kofi
okay
baby I would see you know
a lot of messages on our Facebook page
Kofi e kwasi be
no by 9:40 we should be wrapping up
I don't know you have also what time
baby
commercial 1 for 10 minutes. Yeah, Richie does the junior. Why should we even pay teacher and nursing training allowance at this time? Kofi, maybe maintain an address. Nana, good morning, Adaunaba. Please, why is the Akwesichi? He told us that you go to IMF, either you are a fool or you are mad. This is the MPP guy, is a lightweight, and okay, Udike Numbebono. Okay, I don't know what you're thinking. Asante, more fire. Nana means Sandia they are good morning, Kofi. I never knew that the MPP government will go to IMF. 419 party pani. Daniel Kwesiana, watching you live from Akemodan. Fellow delegate, no look no further. Vote for Honorable Kingston Akuma. But when you have been our campaign, I'm not IMF no. Nanaya Nado Mupi under 1 minute cry. You blame it on Ukraine and Russia. Ukraine. Anyway, Kingsford Ejari. In fact, the MPP man, what's it name? Making us angry. Seriously, I'm disappointed in him. But I told me I'm into you.
Kofi.
Yeah.
Maybe as for JD is you know.
Yeah.
They say Egypt, almighty Egypt. They are compelled to go to IMF under COVID situation, Ukraine war.
Okay.
Okay. Make Egypt, yes, you should understand. Baby, I'm free ba. Even Cote d'Ivoire, not inflation was just 1%. Now Cote d'Ivoire, compelled to go to IMF for support. So what I say, and it is a Ghana, one who saw IMF for supporter. It's as a result, say, they propose, and I will say it here. Ghana, and one country, say NDC take it entrenched position now. All the followers of NDC, take it out position. Same applies to NPP. Okay? And you say, Sikani, a person you realize it from 11, no, and could do sa, na parliamentarians are more NDC parliamentarians. And Kasakran, Jinasi, so capture a monk for say, one any transactions be under Mumu. Now, as MPs, they've stopped doing it. And two forces will be NDC near until the air cannon. Okay, Obi NDC near. That is not to say, so be a jai. That is not to say, so be a jai. It's say, Kofi, Odikeka so propose a quiet befaso and Kayenko IMF solutions. Man, tobacco cry. There may tell you, so no one can say shooting who say, yes, see dams in Ibi or baby. Distance require 20 kilometers. And I tell you, you see dams at the villages. Village bend in Ghana. And I saw a dam at a pointer. I saw travel 20 kilometers. And son was so please.
Four communities.
So please. We didn't say that. We say every community. Every village. Every village. Please. Mame comment so. Kofi. Say you share IMF. Yeah, kwa. Well meaning Ghanaian biya beti yasi. At this point, yes. Abeti yasi at this point. Say ankoya the usual politicking. Ankoya the usual politicking na abeti yasi. Esan say ebra ye be fa amemo 2017.
Okay.
Na ye shisha ye de kwa kodu 2019 na. Ewiase nyina bo Ghana baso. Ewo kwanya ye fa so ye niema no. In fact, na obia adwene enko say we be call IMF. Okay. And the NDC should also know. Say yes. And someone more can name. Say 2032. Nankopon fasama. Muba ban so the same idea and a Ghanaian so they be judge. And as politicians, we should also learn from Ensembia Ebia Yebeka in the near future. No. the reality may dawn on you. Me metena hana me nkase me ye NPP ni.
Akuma FM.
Yanka bibia mfa ebra na NDC for eko IMF. Intiro ye de ne de eye papa. But what Ghanaians Ennin at this point in time and they say Ghana anya NPP ya NDC. Say the ni no. Aye kwa. Breach any board Ghana no. Ote say 20 from 2017 to 2019 John Dramani Mahama ebe catch oh please. John Dramani Mahama be catch Ghana for say yenko IMF. Kofi uti ye. Ote ye. And then na 2020 2021 2022 John Mama be catch say we should go to IMF. On one kasa who say there are other countries who are running to IMF. So we can also go there. Okay. On one so from 2017 by Ghana for yasitrem Enyama His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ka so de begu akwan mu bia no. Yes, kakra na ye kɔ edi gugu akwan mu na ye kɔ. Bibia ni wa ye promise say Ghana for say ye be ya mo a ye mfa ye nsan kan ye. Even at the time 2019 na ye nduru ba bia ye first time kra no na ye nduru ba bia. Obi ha nim de asi e wo wiase nyina. Enne so ko UK. De asi wo UK and see that since time are you
Akuma FM.
I want to US. I didn't see that since time are US buyer. But for politics there, if I be NDC ni, no person kasa man the party, na the party buy more. You don't expect anything from him than these things. Because I'm saying someone be can no yes, Ghana for be ebe talk any pani be etrim. Because on our promises say obeboa yen. But sabre there ye hwehwa ne say emwa ne beba. But forgetting say e bibi NSC. Okay, so the poultry farmer. Unkosi awi no debia no say number of crates on saka. Now catch them for say oh this time debia man supply more quantity we. Na say ya see o farm ho a. Nipa na wona na contractor o catch them say the tie bia no this quantity e na me de be ma no. I know say the tie bia no obe catch them say me de e contract e na me ne wo akọ. Sabi and Ghanaians I expect it. As a for the ancient Kasayi, Esan say, Ahana me buy them compare His Excellency John Ajikun Kufuor me say, Amamwo papa obebu ye no yet mudinatem. Sasam na mkache wo. Amamwo papa Omampanyin Kufuor obebu ye no mudinatem. It's Excellency na Danko Kufuor aba. Na amamwo ya obu ode boya from 2019 even to 2020 seka anye oh seka wa mu amamoni ya yede share John Dramani Mahama from 2013 to 2017 Ghanaians catch and say no ade na yede share won san wan timi anye ne ye enti ya pamo no the same man yede share na Nana Danko Akufo-Addo 2016 and they call 2020 and Ghana for catch and say there be adwuma na ye de share won sa no why ye ye eni ti toa so say do mama ye ni yanke toa ne so 20 from 2016 and then call 2020 okay who told you say Ghana for anuom ho who told you say Ghana for anuom enti oh please the way I see bam no the way I see eh no
me do am flow because the next
1
minute I'll wrap up for
me penisa
a commercial
okay,
break
me penisa Kofi
yeah
it is true Ghana baby aye kono enya sa na ye nyina ye pe are we saying say e was say ye yi IMF no every mu ni ade foforo bi ba na ye be call IMF some of the conditions are in fact on be proposing no I am telling you on authority say Ghana buy under Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ashase ye woni say appointees omo travels wakate no you are aware appointees salary wakate no okay and yama bebre expenditure what some of the agencies when you free even pay them when you bebre free ho these are some of the things oko IMF you be catch them
okay
and it is what chance here na oh yes and yama ya oh yeah under John Dramani Mahama say e say ya and come in ni say even ka IMF ebebem
yeah mama now say for just 1 minute me ba na fe dey atwa yen come so but yem fast da Emma the big six movie a nyame ya domo a started and then you mri sanso na eye ochira e ba so just 1 minute
Do something now.
87.9 FM. Any Royal View Cinema Akabom Eddie Sinibia, your friend is the Big Six Ebro. Sinimu Ubewu Emilia Brobe. Ajete Anai, Rosalind Ingiza. Ahuofa Patri, Steven Atanga, Yaduduana, France, Omar Crop, anyone Kika Hunyina.
How old are you?
I'm 42, sir. If you don't believe me, I have my passport. Let's go and check.
Have mercy on us.
Getting a lot of heat, man. A lot of pressure.
I mean, the slaves are on the run. They're running every day.
Don, you better do something. Do something now. The Big Six, yeah, in the 1st, 2nd, and the 3rd July of Fimu. Our Royal View Cinema, our SG Mall, Top High, Kumasi Heya, and you remember Sia, and you know what Chimpa Mudebia. Ticket in here, 40 Ghana cedis single, and 60 Ghana cedis double. Quadru tickets, our Poku Trading Supermarket, Today Supermarket, our SG Mall, Conti Supermarket, our Ken UST, Jivendi Restaurant, our Kumasi Mall, and our Kuma FM Fondax Heya. Open ticket to Unsem Bisabia, Uber 0543 21 68 and 46 Cecilia.
Media partners TV3, Onia TV, and 3news.com.
Observer Koya Yasa Bahaya Kuma 87.9 FM. Abraham Eufia as usual, and me it was say yinya yana pomuden ehon kire achechere kakra. Dr. Bibi Abakode.
Nyankopɔ tumi Mr. Asante na nso
Adom. And I don't pay
Akuma FM.
Dear ni enye wo ya pomden mu.
Yo Mr. Asante me da se tumfo Nyankopɔ nhyira na onhyira onua FM ayefo ne akoma FM tiefo nyina. Ye frɛ me Agya Abraham. Da bia se na meka no me di nubra ene habamba ene nuaba ene sayare. Na Mr. Asante ene de me ma wakwanya. Se obi a unim no a wanya enkwei ana hania ana echo.
Okay.
Esen hem ana kase be se de ma ye me nse am de kire tiefo yi.
Ai.
Mr. Asante won na ma sa akwanya no.
Okay.
Me hwe ni free ama me de boso me na ehwe no. Unim obi a
free.
Ana ma me free. Any o Mr. Asante ana me de ma wo na nipa na obeba no
Akuma FM
hu ni hwa no.
Oh, okay.
Na also eba watime di ho adanse e enti oba
ase be di akiri
manadwaye bi ba bi no wonkoto.
Okay.
Na se bi won so de be ma no fa mo na furum na hwa ni ntima sensen wo yi ne won twa na phone won twa wan ka se twa fa to phone so no so fa to phone so me di ado ne ma me ma no bosome se ne hwa ne da so ye se bi ma Mr. Asante won fa me kokot
Mate.
One PS comes one some family.
And Ubia wo K6 no baba na
K5. Now the Omra me pesa wan ka say
fan come Agya Abraham.
Sa na wo protocol. Enti me ba me kasa fa hobby na wa dia dance no. Enti me saw se na me kan no. Se wonya nkwiri bi na be sinsa wa.
Akuma
se wonya tro. Aye kese wo hem
nkwe bade nya meda.
Sa eno sa ne fo ne yam. Oda na ko osore na aba na ama ne yam twe no. E ba sa bu obi die no obo so ba otumi kotore sa. Obi so ho a etumi fisa.
Ono so me fa na me.
Ono so fa na bra. De me pede mi won say won yam hu over video hwe no wahu. Me pede be sinsa na ha mu na. Ene ye we de wo de wani hu ya na obi hu sam pade de say we.
Operation wo de be me na drum na.
Me nye operation me man just 1 month. 1 month ni po enu. Na anane ntimi sisawo obi a wanya ne de woni yam anase abeda no hwewam anase sabi abefua ne mfe so ye oba so ye obema na ebi ntimi sase nti oba nso tunya bi Mr. Asante oba tunya bi obo na be tuni ba no so obo na be hye ni no dizani furuma no mu obo nso na be hye ni furuma achi nti o tie me na wo de ne hani anko a wo de akiri ne anko anase bi abeda o hwewam mama ye frere twa he me say me ma just 1 month me de do no ma na ankwa bajusika ebia na tiefo ni ntimi de number ni tuja number ni
ona ehwe TV ni e screen ani sisi Agya Abraham
na radio for no ntina me di tuja no 0242 76 48 35 0242 76
Akuma FM
48 35 Kumasi ya mi wo ohwim wo asuofu akwan so enkran mi wo da koman abrewana na sport ena tema mi wo mankwade runabout tema community wa ho mankwade runabout takwade bus station ho ena sunyan so mi wo estate junction mi ni brotherhood asoda no edi enu hwe na Kumasi anso mi wo ohwim mi saudi ene nya hania ne se bia yare bi te se breast cancer abeto se bi oyire nufumu ana ma me nufumu ana onua bab nufumu wo de achinia enko why operation ahodo nyina asaba se sempo de doctor check ye no so obetwa onua ba na oyire ana ma me nufo enti e bia so me stop no waduru amede ma wo me ma just 3 days or the phone phone so abose na ayemremremre na tie ne menka say 3 days na ko say ne ya 3 days na ne ja woni nyina jai na I start ayemre te say na wo de sam na to nsuo mu abose ho hu nyina enane no na start ne enane to de do ne fa so no wono bi emre tiawa bi na cancer na doctor fo wo wiase nyina ase nya do no na afiri no fo no a me wa dance bebrebe ene na kam de picture na bi ba na ka wo de ato TV ni so ama me na de oye no wakodi baabi nti next week nyame yad ma me de picture ni bi beto TV ni so ene ye obi o free Germany na wonya breast cancer doctor say on Kofi nko huntu atwa pre ticket aba Ghana na Mr. Asante o team nka o mo fidie bi so na o ba me so o tech me de do no ma no fo na why chemotherapy ama sabi ni tiri nyina purugo ni mo wura nyina ahye ni ho etum no ni nufu ni nyina aye dende ni sebo ni nyina nane ama sabi ni nufu a ni ho na ma na aye tuntum ni ho wura ahye ni tiri nyina purugo bi bia saba no ma timi sew o tie me na dwo bia be da onufum o de akini enko tese no wiase nyina wanom operation waye asabe form otum na sa asaba ha me tumi nsafro tu anamon lebra maso ye bia me dia todwa wonim se ye nkran se kuma se sunyan se ohwim akuma se ano tu anamon ne fa bra ye be mu oduma sa ne ma ne nyina afim enti wo wonya breast cancer no na wo de akine enko ama won sa hono atwedwa ama mu kase ne ye oya ama no funu mienu ntam ye oya ama no funu ye dindindin obi mpo de se bi so emoja fin mesaw mi tu anamon ne fa bra ana wo de na pai amna ye kuro sebi amanka ba ho chese ohu de onye me to me safro se bra na me de duro haba no be ma se ankwa me du sika be ma me to nchia wa ha me se ankwa du sika be ma titie nie etu na mo bra maso ye bia wonim je number ne biem number ne ye 0242 76 48 35 0242 76 48
Akuma FM
35 and our WhatsApp here 0549 10 15 80 me see enkran me wo da akuma kumasi me wo hwim ena sunyan so me wo estate junction me brotherhood aso da no ena tema me wo community one man kwade run about ho e kwa na me wo me samo me toaso me wo enam yare any infection bia wanya say gonorrhea syphilis candida bilharzia anase UTI ye be onye biara me so me to me suffer of bra me see me de adroma so she rubber mpa me ma na otwe me ensa rubber doctor ni bia amfa ne sanka wa she prostate na she rubber doctor ni bia amfa ne sanka na otwe me ensa no maduro no bose Johnson no eno afa rubber ne check uso mu a bose na yi aka wonsam abra doctor ni bia amfa ne sanka na kwan no so nsensi eme enko she rubber enti wonya prostate ni a she rubber me to me suffer won so de ne nya wonya she rubber o Johnson tentem nanso ebi wa odwonso a ebi kam ebi won so odwonso a wochim ansa na aba amana ya ase ne ya Mr. also me to me safro ana wodi ne gonorrhea ama ba ma mu hihyew ana ba mu kekaw ana akotoro che sufita furu ba ma mu ba enti odwonso tentem ama aso ama o chinka sere o ya ama na no sai tititi oto asentimu twon se ne friends sciatica nerves na aso mu no Mr. ama hu dwa se ne meko ana robo asawo hu se mo bi ne nam widiom nyenya se nkukodwie ana se so hu sane ma nyina ye enam yare wono ne reba na utua na mona ba Abraham a me moduro na ekumumwa no na biebie wuntinim na waposo ya no ne nyina agyae oboa no yare di aba oboa no hyehyew ama wo yam dwa wo se onya peptic ulcer anase stomach ulcer anase de no ne nyina ye saa enam yare mwa no me be moduro na ekum sambo nyina nti fantina fie tuana mo na Fabra Abraham aso ye hwe me nka se obi ani aduro ba bia wakon de o betimi no maye Fabra Abraham wo na on tuasie ma sanity nti me sew tuana mo na Fabra ebia wotie me wo so de ne hepatitis B me se me de aduro ma wa me ma wo no what is me wu da bia me ba me ka wa police pani bi bibi dem be so boni na maka kan se me boa se ga wa police for gomaba wa police pani bi ni nua o de ko UK o ko check ye no ye se wo hepatitis B mama na duro e free mu se wo ko no UK boy ba ko so go so no ko Dubai na se wo hepatitis B ye ma ne nko mama na duro e free just adan send ye ka e buburu ja timi so wonya hepatitis B na nko atwa na mobra o tie me o de ne ye si kire yare me se me be mo aduro na asiesie o pancreas no na atuma produce insulin na manipadua no na no de ye adwuma aba nko no abofdo metformin anase nko wo insulin panie edi twa na mo fabra na odwonso bebrebe fa diabetes ho o tie aduane ho na wo ntasuo nyina afon wonu kasa no ndozie nyina awe no pesa bra na mo odwonto ase saji number ni biom number ni 0242 76 48 35 0242 76 48 35 and our WhatsApp ni 0549 10 15 80 80. Kumasi mi si wo hwi Mr. Asante brem.
Yo. Mami mi sa se nipa dodo no a na no no obi frame.
Sir.
Se ni sisi.
Oh.
Or you student ne baba akra or you student. Yo. Na akra no ko school ana ni sisi. Otwitwa x-ray waye we still. You just 1 minute.
Yo.
Pacho for no wo druma wo
Mr. Asante edo bebrebe wo he se oba no se onkonya accident bia na sisi na ya he bo so obi sa no be ka se ne menses na emayiye na ne basa na ma osisi ya oya na ma ochika se oya na so to asintini e friends atika no e de sa na ba ne boa no na ma ne boa no hyehye no so ye be man so a bo se bi wo se okoto ta ne so fitafiri no we men ba ana mre bi atwa modun so moja na so sisi na so sinka se no sa fo no nyina metumi sa fo wo de bra e basa oba no kra ma ne menses mayiye bo atumi twere bra mo no me de na nkwa bajusi we 3 days adwuma obusa kumasi adia enkofo bebe na edi adanse etimi so to na mobra e ti number na me sorry number is 0242 76 48 35 0242 76 48 35 0242 76 48 35 WhatsApp is 0549
10 15 80. Sir, Abraham.
Pastor, yo, enkram oda kuma se mi o hwim na teman so wo community 1. Na sunya mi wo estate. Frame nebra, me do ase frame Abraham.
Thank you. Kuma se wo say
Oshim school junction wa.
Do something
now. Memo direction to frame.
Me da say. Come for Abraham na mo ten nkan no mo a mo share on Facebook page. Messages do na na aba. Kokwasa for J Kwasado DK and Henry omo be rapper but nyame ya domo a enanwumre egusuwa the big 6 air koso worker mo amu pe ticket ni bi atono mo hwe live on Onia TV mo hwe Facebook page a on sabeka bi
enipa bia wi ataso se kwan bi o be faso akwa broche bi on be ko nanso etoda bia na ehu o
mama wa call US and UK
what do me kwa broche
going to the village
oh baby o dimbe ko bia se wo yi me fi Africa hanko ade
ebe you train na near the report him
Akuma 87.9 FM any Royal View Cinema akabom edi sinibia your friend is the big 6 ebro sinimu ubehu Emilia Brobe Ajete Anan Roselyn Ingiza Ahuofa Patri Steven Atanga ya dodo na France Don Little Oma Crop any one kika hu nyina.
How old are you?
I'm 42, sir. If you don't believe me, I have my passport. Let's go and check.
Have mercy on us.
Getting a lot of heat, man. A lot of pressure.
I mean, the slaves are on the run. They're running every day.
Don, you better do something. Do something now. The big 6, yeah, in the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd July of Fimu. Our Royal View Cinema. Our SG4 top high. Kumasi heya. And you may not see any no chimpa mudebia. Ticket in here 40 Ghana cedis single, any 60 Ghana cedis double. Quadru tickets, Poku Trading Supermarket, day-to-day supermarket, what SG Mall, Conti Supermarket, Ken UST, Jivendi Restaurant, Kumasi Mall, and of Kuma FM Fondax Heya. Open ticket to Unsem Bisabia, Oben for 0543 21 68 and of 46 Cecilia.
Media partners TV3, Onia TV, and a3news.com.
Aya kuma 87.9 FM 0322498035 0322498036. Mo share on Facebook page and Onia TV numbers no egu screen any and to bet me apeke the numbers now wait me so I a part of the discussion 0322498035 0322498036 0322498037. Hello, good morning. About your Hamza, I'm into your time. This is straight to the point. Hamza, I'm into you.
I'm just a fight. Yeah, I'm telling you what I want. Kofi mi sell. Nko to go form. Maybe I'm say Kofi go for say bia go picture.
Akuma
I am free. And no. Kofi go for some kwan ya mo amofo ka ko mo what we aban no bo le so we keep on kwaso a. Una ko I am. I can catch your mama. Mi sell Kofi nko to go form. Maybe I could go for say bia next week go morning. Na kire de se. Da pa na tra studio. O che se mi entie. Aba fa no. And try what no come was if I said I'm not
okay, hello, good morning. When you?
Hello, why see the name Kazafi Roman?
Maminti o quick one.
Aha, the Metatom, come by
The time is very short until I know I go straight to the point.
Yo. Aha, the only say I can't corruption. And to end this with I can't MPC for corruption. And me papa could be casting, but say Asante now 2020 be that mind. Who are in the schools now where we work? Block, we see block, classroom block, Spakas, Amas, we see blocks, now the other country.
Okay. Hello, good morning. When you? Hello, good morning. 03-224-98035 03-224-98036 03-224-98037. Good morning.
Good morning.
Bebacho Weni.
Bacho Weni.
Bacho Free.
The Casafi Grosso.
Bebacho my mintio.
Well. I'm a plan MPP for Casa. I'm MPP party at Alcafa, in Ghana for MPP party among Canocre. Mr. Namayano, and more minor.
Okay. Medasi. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, President.
Yes, sir. When you? Mamintio.
Yeah, we know because Kakaya could be with the mechanic. I say, and Megan Hano. And say, you have to say, when you are Kufado, you can't abaya Quabana, but Abaya Sabi. No more boy, so you cry, when you about me, or would you not cry? So, what kind of boss of the job will say? And no matter the kind of communication officer, never plan, difficult Ghana for the IMS to Mokoa, will be a large you and will call IMS. And then we get to MPC, young about the name of said you, I need
okay, hello, good morning. When you? Hello, morning.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Morning.
Yes, sir.
FM.
Bebacho free. Well, line it. What is a free? Eh, fa. I'm very sorry. Well, I need a pause. Good morning. Yes, sir. Hey, Joseph.
I'll pay more about so I get the Uber Show Bojuma. Now make chat 2025 now for Charago to Samamentiano. You like a mobile chat and let's chat and my son is almost one on September. That's what I was on to one of the American. And number El Coswa. Sorry, and I'm more Belco, the Uncle Jenia. They're going to have a vehicle. Now, the next simple for say, at the end of the Quadribution analysis can the bar. Then nobody says Melody and the day. Let's come to Kodu to know and yes, Mana. And La Quadra said in Pasu and Paso, yes, and Mexicaria, but not the trend. Let come fast for Mexica. Never buy a channel.
Okay, hello, good morning. Okay, Harry. Good morning. Yeah, when you?
Mohammed Tisela Kutela Vaguvi.
Mamintio.
Akuma FM.
Problem na bana eja. Omako iso omako mefa. Enye boni bia. Tigana for yambo pa na bibia nso enko yuma me da so Vaguvi.
Okay, hello, good morning. When you?
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Pacho free.
I am from David Macassa Buakwa.
Fa Buakwa.
Metasi Basio Sokaka. Abaya Biaba. Abaya Biaba Bushia. Messi Abaya Biaba, Abaya Bushia, but who Abaya Wobushia. And the Gapadia and war of Madame Kuntuni can I buy. Now Abaya will buy it again. Bushia, your body, yet. Yan to me fire some point that say Gapadia with a Yama or Mino. And no corner equal. When you are buying no Bobby Chicago will send the coronavirus.
Okay, hello, good morning. When you? I sorry, being Pacho Mamintio, very quick one.
Kofi, I sorry, babe, you don't return it. Kofi, Mama, Momi, Namicha lawyer, Ivan Samankwa, Abbas Nuridi, Namicha, and this for watch Baka when Kofi. And the governor and the Ramabo, Amako, a Twadaho. None of the bank for Dana, and a Kufado for. Oh, Kofi, and some of Muka and the lesson Kakusi, a better to be all the money. So, You can say MPP. The way I'm going to be used Ghana, you see, Kanye and Kofi.
Okay, hello, good morning. When you?
Hello, good morning. Simon, titles in the Kasafi Apamanya.
Apamanya, I mean you.
Apamanya, Akasin. Na, the no can I say? Maybe up any MPP communication, man, no, Mr. Mahama time, Yen Makasa or Maka, Afa Mahama. Na, Cambreno, and Yana Juno Makata, Mukasa, Aria, and press conference, Egu Papa Nimasi. But no one will say Nimiana can or think Kola will see a Siniama. Misereno. Said the end, no man, Casa, yes, Sereno. Now by no, she said, I didn't some. It is a communication, no, Omina to make Casa. If you mean Casa, I buy now, this or no, I can't back a credit or the oh, you can pay more beer bill until you say, MPP buy no more in my back.
Last call, and good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
I just could feel in Cairo.
Mamintio.
The Mamintio from my DC, one of what I organizer. Obama.
About your Mamintio.
Kofi, is it no? Is it no? What's our final crowd? Is it in Guasia? Is it the woman getting to Ghana for and then just swap on? Is it no? I am no corner. On one, I am no. I am on some of my own. Because I am no like criminal kind of idea. What's it there? Oh my God, I find a what's it there? You should not be a come watch and then no one.
Okay. Abisanfo a mo hwe live on TV. Ya beda mase monso wo de wafide na to ha utie e wa akoma 87.9 FM. Good morning. Happy belated birthday kase nkoma nana boachi yadom. Atonsa a otoso emienu oye otumfo atene ehene. Nana anopei encha kase firi wo ma wonananom ene adofo nyina wo wi amwase bepo ase ene denase nana oyemawo awodapa Raren Koso Enshraw, na wanyo kese. Happy belated birthday, Nana Boachi Yadom, Atonsa, Aotoso Emiunu, Otumfo Atene Ehene, Nana Anopei, and and Anopei Moamo Eastern region, Latte, Miankasa, Minua Bema, Madame Fo, Madina, Osofo, Danso, and now Papa Eda Form, Yabeba, Nafi, Yaba, Ababe, Yo Papa Eyi, Ewo Latte. Erinti encha kese enkoma ene yakọ kese enkoma busuafo a mo hwe yen all the way from Latte ewo Akuapem Eastern region nsofo yenua danso obapa eda form nti ne na eyi no ekoso and of course yebeba na yaba betawachi mo amode mafide ne to ha opani Jonas odai som pa som ene na wayi ekoso ewo Latte Latte ahinasa adabri Akuapem North Municipal enti anopei yako ene abusuafo ni nyina na me sorry mi ankasa me nua bema made nyina obibini akohene de bibi nsroma bro the biggest show ebaso reggae ni adusua kronkron ene ye ba besua na anopei MCR Onia TV good morning team members amo nyina se utimi eboa yen emayede show no ebre ya hwefo ne yetiefo Samaka Krebina, we wrapping up the show. Just about 5 minutes past 10. Midin de Adaunaba, Kofi, Asante, on behalf of the production team, Nana Sensu Mensa, and Opay, good morning. Sansona JB, Sanso, and Ubibini Akwehine, the Walker Man, and of course, the Ghana, Wajijana and Naso, DJ, and Opay, good morning. Okweja, good morning. Therefore, Yako na Yako Kudin Komo. With the tiger nuts na atadwe sonko pa hodin a ewum ene de beboaye enti o share yen live on Onia TV o share yen live on yen Facebook page akoma 87.9 FM a special good morning but ye kai wo say na me ya domo a ene about 6 PM the big 6 movie premiere no guso a ekoso 8:30 PM and so the second section sanso ena nyame ya adma wo chinkwasie baso enti pacho the big 6 movie premiere no egusua.
Do something now. Any pebia we attach say kwen bi on be first akwa broche bi on be ko. Nanso eto da bia na ehu o.
Remember I call US and UK.
What do you make kwa broche?
Going to the village.
Oh, baby, I don't beko bia. Say we me fi Africa hanko ade.
Ebe you train na na dey go port him.
Akuma 87.9 FM. Any Royal View Cinema. FM. Edi Sinibia, your friend is the Big Six Ebro. Sinimu Ubehu Emilia Brobe. Ajete Anai. Roselyn Ingiza. Ahuofa Patri. Stephen Atanga. Ya Duduana. Francis Don Leto. Omar Crop. Anyone Kika Hunina.
How old are you?
I'm 42, sir. If you don't believe me, I have my passport. Let's go and check.
Have mercy on us.
Getting a lot of heat, man. A lot of pressure.
I mean, the slaves are on the run. They're running every day.
Don, you better do something. Do something now. The Big Six, yeah, in the 1st, 2nd, and the 3rd July of Fimu. Our Royal View Cinema. Our SG Mall, Top High.